6:15.
Ladies and gentlemen, I look to the guy to the right, look to the guy to the left, and pinch each other. And realize you're seeing the greatest deadlift ever done on this planet.
Oh, that's easy.